Could you use some help maintaining your home or office? Do you have a busy family and you'd like more quality time together? Or are you an elderly person who could use some extra help? Hi, I'm Jenna with Quality Cleaning. We value each and every one of our customers and tailor our services around your individual needs. We do both residential and commercial cleaning on a schedule that works for you. If you're tired of doing the cleaning yourself, give us a try. We promise we'll exceed your expectations every single time. You can reach us at 517-759-3247 or online at www.qualitycleaning.pro. Again, I'm Jenna Waldrop with Quality Cleaning, and don't stress, we'll clean the mess.